This is awesome. This is awesome. These open tonight, right after the rainstorm. I have two dragon fruits side by side. I've never seen this before. And these two are right by each other. So I don't know how this is going to work. One might cancel the other one out. I don't know. Both these can't open at the same time, but they are. I'm just going to let nature do its thing with this pair over here. But these two booties, I'm going to have to this is supposed to be American Beauty. It's supposed to be self-fertile. If I'm right, it could be something else. If it's self-sterile, I'm going to have to pollinate both of these guys with each other's pollen, or with a different pollen from another dragon fruit. We'll have to see, but this is beautiful. These are huge flowers, people. These are one of the biggest flower blooms in the world. I think it's the second or third biggest flower bloom in the world. It's from a dragon fruit. As you can see how big they are. So, but these only bloom at night. Dragon fruit only bloom at night. So you have to come out at night to see them bloom, because they don't bloom in the daytime. That is beautiful. This dragon fruit, all my dragon fruit plants are about 4 years old now. So I grew this from a small cutting to this large size in about 4 years. They grow fast, but this is about 4 years old. So beautiful. Dragon fruit blooming at night, right after the little rainstorm just came through. Nice treat.